everyone, and welcome back to English Audio Lab. My name is Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're joining us today.
Today, we are talking about a very important topic, politeness. How to be polite and use good manners when you speak English.
That's right. Being polite is more than just knowing the words. It helps you connect with people and have positive conversations. It makes you sound friendly and respectful.
Exactly. And don't worry, we will make it simple and easy. We'll learn some key words and phrases that you can use every day.
You know, Trevor, this topic reminds me of a little story. When I was younger, I was traveling and I went into a small bakery. It was very busy.
Okay, a busy bakery. I can picture it.
I waited in line, and when it was my turn, I pointed and said, "Give me that one."
Give me that one. I see.
The baker wasn't angry, but he didn't smile. He just gave me the bread. Later, I realized that my sentence was a little too direct. It wasn't very polite.
That's a perfect example, Alicia. In English, how we ask for things is very important. So, what could you have said instead?
Well, now I would say something like, "Could I have that one, please?" Or, "I'd like that one, please."
Much better. Using could I have or I would like is softer and much more polite. And adding please is always a great idea. Let's talk about four essential polite words. They are please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry.
The magic words.
Exactly. Let's start with please. We use please when we ask for something. For example, could you pass the water, please?
And thank you is what we say when someone gives us something or helps us. "Here is your water." "Oh, thank you."
Simple, but so important. Now, what about excuse me?
I use this one a lot. You can say "excuse me" to get someone's attention. For example, in a shop, you can say to the staff, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Yes. Or if you need to pass by someone in a crowded place, excuse me.
And what about sorry? Is it just for mistakes?
Mostly, yes. We say sorry if we make a mistake, like bumping into someone. Oh, I'm so sorry. But we also use it to show sympathy. If a friend tells you some bad news, you can say, I'm sorry to hear that.
That's really helpful. So please for requests, thank you for receiving, excuse me for attention, and sorry for mistakes.
Now, let's practice these in some real life situations. Imagine you are in a new city and you are lost. You need to ask someone for direction.
Okay, I'm lost. I see someone who looks friendly. What do I say?
First, you get their attention politely. I'll be the stranger on the street. You can start.
"Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help?
Could you please tell me where the nearest train station is?"
Of course, it's just 2 blocks that way.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
That felt very natural and polite.
Great job. Now, let's try another one. Imagine you are in a cafe and you want to order a coffee. Let's practice a better way than give me a coffee.
Okay, I'll be the customer. You be the barista.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hello, could I please have a large latte?
Certainly. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Now, it's your turn to practice speaking. We are going to say some polite sentences. First, I will say it very slowly. Please listen and repeat out loud.
Don't be shy. Speaking is the best way to improve.
Ready? Let's begin. First sentence. Could you please help me?
Now, let's say it at a natural speed. Could you please help me?
Excellent. Next one. I would like a cup of tea, please.
And naturally, "I would like a cup of tea, please."
Great. Here is a question. Would you mind opening the window?
This is a very polite way to ask someone to do something. Let's say it together. Would you mind opening the window?
Fantastic work. Repeating these phrases helps your mouth get used to the sounds of polite English.
That's a great point, Trevor. Politeness isn't just about asking for things, it's also very important when we want to express an opinion, especially if we disagree with someone. That's a great point, Trevor. Politeness isn't just about asking for things, it's also very important when we want to express an opinion, especially if we disagree with someone. So today, we learned some wonderful ways to be more polite in English. We talked about the magic words please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry.
We also practiced polite ways to ask for things, like could I have or I would like. And we learned how to ask for help politely.
It really just takes a little practice to make these phrases a normal part of your English.
Remember, the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to communicate with kindness and respect. Using polite language is a powerful way to do that.
Keep practicing. Try to use just one of these polite phrases today. You will see how it makes a positive difference in your conversations.
Thank you so much for listening to English Audio Lab today. Keep up the great work with your learning.
We look forward to having you with us next time. Goodbye for now.